Hi everyone, and welcome to the second tutorial in my series on neurographic art. In the first episode, I discussed all of the supplies that I'm going to be using. So if you want to have a look at that in more detail, then go back and have a look at lesson 1. In that lesson, I also discussed the process in quite a lot of detail. I'm going to do less of that today and play a little bit more relaxing music and just use a written description of what I'm doing as I'm working through the project. As I said in the first tutorial, you can use anything to do the color work on your neurographic art. Today I'm going to use my Derwent watercolor pencils, so you will see me using those in action. I'm also going to use the Micron pen size 5 and 8, and to activate my watercolor pencils I'm going to use a water brush. Water brushes are extremely useful things to have on the go. They're just a brush that contain a tank of water, and you can squeeze over here and water will come into the brush, and then you can put it onto the page, and then you can wipe it off onto tissue paper once you want to change color. So I find this really convenient if you're doing this in front of the TV or on an aeroplane or a train or something like that. This is the product of the first tutorial on neurographic art that I did. I will put a link to this video in the description box below. This was the first time I was trying neurographic art ever, and so I kept the subject quite simple, but I think it turned out really nicely. Then I tried the same principles, I just made it a little bit more involved. I liked how that turned out. With this one, I sampled using a circle template for the first time. I quite like how it turned out, but I think the colors were all a little bit too similar to each other. I was enjoying working with the circles template, so I did this again and made it a bit more involved. I think I'm going to do a similar thing to this today using this circle template. I will do some circles on the page first and then work my neurographic art into that. This one I'm still busy with. I did it whilst I was watching the tennis last night with this on my lap in the lounge. I have put the watercolor pencil down, but I've still got a few more blobs to complete, and then once I've done that I will activate all of the watercolor pencil with water and the colors will really pop out. This is the first one where I'm filling the entire page with color. I haven't done that yet. So today I'm going to do a kind of a combination of all of these things. I'm going to start with the circle template and then show you how I incorporate that into the neurographic art. So make a cup of tea, find a comfortable seat, and enjoy the process with me. you.